Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp profile picture is not showing. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app, and for example, if you used to see someone's profile picture, and now you can see his profile or her profile picture, there are two reasons why profile picture is not showing anymore. Well, the first reason, it might be because this person changed who can see his profile picture from everyone to nobody. So if they change it to nobody, then you can see their profile picture. And the second reason, it might be because they blocked you. So when someone blocked you, you can see their profile picture anymore. So these are the two reasons why you can see others' profile picture on WhatsApp. But if you can see your own profile picture, then go out from WhatsApp and go in to your settings. Once you're in your settings, then scroll all the way down and tap on Apps option. A list of options will appear, so choose the second option, Manage Apps. After that, scroll all the way down till you get to WhatsApp. And here it is. Now tap on Clear Data, then Clear Cache, and Confirm. And don't worry, because this is not gonna delete any of your messages or your personal information. So it's only gonna refresh the app. And this should solve your problem. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.